Hi folks, how you doing? This is Iqbal with NVIDIA Daily Analysis and Assessment. So not a good day for NVIDIA and overall market today. In this video, we'll discuss the reasons behind this downfall and also we'll take a look what may happen in next few days. Now, let's get started. Starting with the daily summary, NVIDIA opened at 118.73. It made a high 118.84. It made a low 112.71 and it closed at 113.76. And also after hours is down about 1.36%. Last 5 days is still down 2.41% and year to date about 18% down. One of the major reasons for Nvidia to drop today is this news that says China energy rules can further restrict Nvidia sales in China, and that can impact its business in China. So basically, China introduced new rules regarding energy efficiency, and that can disqualify Nvidia's H20 chip from use by Chinese customer building or expanding data center. And Nvidia's overall revenue in China is about $17.1 billion. So some of this revenue could get impacted. So market overall reacted to this news today. Another one that caused Nvidia stock to go down today is this one, that is more restriction on Chinese companies. So US blacklist over 50 Chinese companies in bid to curb Beijing AI chip capabilities. And this move is basically trying to restrict Chinese companies to get access to NVIDIA's chip, right? Not all the companies, but some companies that are violating export controls from the US. So it's about 80 companies. And the third major news that also caused NVIDIA to go down is this one, that is Trump is trying to impose tariff on the auto industry as well. So as I mentioned in my previous videos, that tariff uncertainty is still alive and can cause market to go down this week as well. So that's what we saw today. And if you take a look further news regarding Nvidia, you see on your screen, starting with this one that says Nvidia and other chip stocks slide as investors see a big risk to sales to China. This one I already discussed the new energy efficiency rules from China. Scroll down further. Nvidia shares are trading lower amid overall market weakness, which may be due to tariff uncertainty. So similar, so kind of same thing that I just spoke about, the tariff thing, it's causing the market to go down again. So one more acquisition for Nvidia that says Nvidia nearing deal to acquire GPU reseller for several $100 million. So let's scroll down further. So now here it talks about Trump that says Trump takes tough new approach to choking off China's access to US tech. I already talked about it before. And now regarding TSMC, that says TSMC's US made chips might not be that expensive. It's bad news for Intel. So that's good for Nvidia. So another one regarding Huawei that says China's Huawei doubles AI chip yields to 40%. Now Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang warned that Chinese tech giant is the most formidable competitor despite US sanctions. So probably this was the fourth reason that Nvidia went down today. In my opinion, this one is more dangerous than the other three contributors that I discussed. So if Huawei takes a Chinese market more aggressively, then it can cause a big damage to Nvidia in the long term. Rolling down further, now here it says Nvidia stock slips. Why Trump tariffs put the rebound at risk. So this is again about tariffs. So I guess those were the most important news for today regarding Nvidia. And if you take a look technical charts, as I mentioned in my previous videos, that 121 level is a strong resistance level. It won't be easy for Nvidia to break 121 in just first attempt. So Nvidia tried multiple times to break it this week and last week, but it could not sustain. So now Nvidia went down to touch 112 support level and it did today. And next level of support is 101.56. So it would be interesting to see if Nvidia can go down to touch 101 level. Things are not looking good for Nvidia, at least in the short term. As I discussed in this video, there are multiple contributing factors that is causing Nvidia and overall AI sector to go down, or at least put under pressure. So if Nvidia goes down tomorrow as well, then probably we might expect some recovery on day after tomorrow. But overall, Nvidia is under pressure at this point. And regarding the economic data, tomorrow we have weekly initial jobless claims, and Friday we have PC index and core PC index, the inflation data. I'll talk about more about PCI in my tomorrow's video. But overall, I'm not expecting the PC index and the core PC index to come higher than the forecast. So that's all about my analysis and assessment regarding Nvidia. I know it's tough time for Nvidia and Nvidia stockholders like us. So I'm still holding Nvidia stock. I have no other option to do because if I sell now and for some other reason, if Nvidia goes up end of this week, then we'll have to buy Nvidia at the higher price. So I don't want to do that. So I have to be a little patient. We'll see what happens in the next few days. Please write in the comment section of what do you guys think about Nvidia for next few days and also what are your positions on Nvidia. That's all about my analysis and assessment regarding Nvidia. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you more in the next video. Take care.